The Clarke CMTC1 Manual Tyre Changer is a great tool to have in any garage, workshop, or even mounted in the rear of a van. It allows you to change the tyres on most steel car wheels. For safety, the base of the tyre changer should be rigidly bolted to the floor through the pre-drilled mounting holes in the base. Suitable for wheels from 4 to 21 inches, the tyre changer includes a bead breaker to initially part the bead from the rim. Once the bead is broken, the wheel is lifted onto the center pedestal and tightened into place with the adjustable wheel clamps. After firstly lubricating the bead with lubricant, the tyre can then be released from the wheel, one side at a time, using the supplied tyre lever. Fitting a new tyre is simply a reversal of the above procedure. The Clarke CMTC1 Manual Tyre Changer, with its heavy-duty steel construction and tough powder-coated paint finish, it is the perfect tool for tyre changing in your workshop.